Good morning. This is the National Weather Service in Blacksburg, Virginia, with a winter weather briefing for Monday, February the 1st. Through 10 a.m. this morning, we have a winter weather advisory, which is in effect for the entire region for lingering freezing drizzle and wet roads that have refrozen overnight. Later today, snow showers will increase west of the Blue Ridge, so a winter weather advisory has been issued for the higher elevations in the far western regions of the Blue Ridge, and a winter storm warning is in effect for elevations above 3,500 feet for the northwest mountains of North Carolina into the Grayson Highlands of Virginia. So as the snow showers increase later today, we will see hazardous travel conditions develop due to snow on roadways, especially at higher elevations west of the Blue Ridge, continuing through 1 p.m. Tuesday. As winds increase, we will also see blowing snow develop, adding to the hazardous travel conditions. Again, your highest snow totals tonight through 1 p.m. Tuesday will be at the highest elevations above 3,500 feet, and as winds increase overnight, we can expect areas of blowing snow to add to hazardous travel. In summary, we can expect increasing snow showers west of the Blue Ridge to create hazardous travel conditions through 1 p.m. Tuesday. Greatest snow accumulations are expected above 3,500 feet, and increasing winds will add to the hazardous travel, creating areas of blowing snow and reducing visibility. If you see hazardous winter weather conditions, please do let us know. You can reach us through our website, telephone, email, or through any of the social media channels listed here. This will be the last briefing on this situation unless the forecast changes significantly. Thank you.